Which action can you use multiple SSIDs in the autonomous architecture to accomplish? Option A. Set up maintenance channels only. Option B. Combine traffic from all machines into a single place. Option C. Segment the EX control traffic from the non-critical wireless traffic. Option D. Increase the amount of interference. The correct answer is option C. Which three options are three of the main advantages of the Cisco Unified Access VLAN architecture over the Autonomous Access VLAN? Choose 3. Option A. Ability to send only one type of traffic at a time. Option B. Increased reliability with failover and self-healing mechanisms. Option C. Faster creation of wireless islands for every application in the plant. Option D. Increased deployment, management, and integration costs. Option E. Enhanced security services with centralized control and visibility. Option F. Can be used for roaming within the plant. The correct answer is option B, E, F. When you consider wireless media for any AX application, which percentage of traffic should be reserved for HMI and maintenance traffic, such as RS links, programming tools, and IT management? Option A. 3%. Option B. 60%. Option C. 20%. Option D. 85%. The correct answer is option C. Which two options are features of the Connected Factory Wireless Autonomous Wireless Architecture? Choose 2. Option A. High scalability. Option B. Limited coordination of operation between APs. Option C. Individual management. Option D. Centralized control. Option E. Support for high amounts of data traffic. The correct answer is option B, C,